Hello, kids. This is Fredbear's Family Diner. This is a magical place for kids and families alike. We got a birthday boy over there. Happy birthday. Yay!
And
So, there's pizza, there's video games, anything you want. So, yeah, so we're gonna be, me and Spring Bonnie will be singing songs.
I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it.
why my brother? So annoying.
You told me to buy a pony, but all I wanted was you.
You like him, right?
No, I don't wanna
Get in there! Why? Why did
Michael, why did you do
I
this?
didn't deserve it.
We're going home. My child died because of your
I'm
creation.
so sorry. I'm so sorry, but I couldn't care less.
With the animatronics are moving. The entrance of the office. Oh shit, it says Bonnie's here. Must be nothing anyway. I just got it. Double check. Holy crap, I gotta close the door. Stay on the job, right?
Is this thing on? Oh yeah. Hello. Welcome to your first day at Freddy Fazbear Pizzeria. So, you're the night guard here, so that means you're gonna be staying until 6 a.m. in the morning. You don't actually want to stick around to what the animatronics do at night. They get a little freaky, so, good luck.